Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Floating Stocks. I am Venkat, and in this session I'm gonna explain you another intraday trading strategy. Okay, so let's not waste time. Let's get into action. All right. So yes, these are all the contents for this video. These are all the contents for this session, today's session. So, what is horizontal pro level strategy? And how does it work? Horizontal pro level strategy is the name of the strategy that I'm going to teach you now. So the first content is I'll be explaining about horizontal pro level strategy and what does it include. And I'll be revealing the chart setup for horizontal pro level strategy as well. Then I'll be backtesting horizontal pro level strategy for 3 to 4 stocks so that you'll be gaining confidence, and I'll be revealing 5 confirmations you need to look for while using horizontal pro level strategy. And yes, I'll be also telling you when to enter, when to exit, what should be the target, and what should be the stop loss while using horizontal pro level strategy. Okay. And yes, the fifth point is, sixth content is, I'll be revealing few other key points that you need to keep in mind while using this strategy. All right. So, what is horizontal pro level strategy and what does it include? It's very simple. Okay. So, this strategy helps us to draw strong horizontal levels. I repeat, there is nothing complex in this strategy. It's it is very easy. It is actually very easy. So, this horizontal pro level strategy helps us to draw strong horizontal levels. I repeat, it helps us to draw strong horizontal levels, and we'll be trading only on those strong horizontal levels. Okay. And it includes Fibonacci levels and support and resistance levels. Okay. I repeat, it includes Fibonacci levels and support and resistance levels. Okay. You need to be drawing Fibonacci levels, and you also need to be drawing support and resistance levels using this strategy. Okay. All right. Chart setup for horizontal pro level strategy. So when it comes to chart setup, it's actually very easy. So let's get on to the chart. Then I'll be explaining you what should be the chart setup for horizontal pro level strategy. Okay. Yes. I'm expecting that you guys are able to see Bajaj Finance chart here. Okay. Oh, it actually gave a good moment today. See, I'll be using price action here, and I'll tell you where to enter, where to exit today. Okay. All right. This level looks like a strong level for me. Okay. Now see, it's strong because it took support here, bounced back. 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 Finally, it broke the level. Okay, it broke the level yesterday, but when it comes to today, again this level acted as a resistance here as well. The same level is acting as support here lot many times. Then it started acting as resistance here today. Okay, because the stock got stopped out and pushed it down. Again, it got stopped out and pushed it down. Okay, finally it broke the level. Okay, so I'll be using price action strategy here. Okay, now see, I'll wait for higher high formation. This is higher high formation. Okay, you already know 5 confirmations. So this is higher high formation. The first confirmation is it is coming out of a key level. Yes. Second confirmation is higher high formation. So I'll enter it. I'll enter it this point. Okay, because this is higher high formation. This, so this confirmation candle broke the high of previous candle. Okay, and look at the volumes. More number of buyers came to the market. Okay, volumes are also good. All right, let's check. Let's check with VWAP and 35 moving average as well. Oh, that is VWAP is also asking us to make buy position. VWAP is suggesting us to take buy positions because candles are above VWAP here. Okay. All right. Let's verify with moving average as well. Our favorite moving average, which absolutely predicts short-term trend in a very good manner. which is 35 moving average, and color should be black. Click on done. All right, that 35 moving average is also asking us to make buy position because candles are above 35 moving average as well. Now see, I have got 5 confirmations here. Okay, the first confirmation is it came out of a key level. Second confirmation is higher high formation, colors of both the candles are green. Okay, third confirmation is it's above VWAP. Fourth confirmation is it's above 35 moving average. Fifth confirmation is volumes are great. Look at the breakout candle. Look at the volume. Volumes are more number of buyers came to break this level. Okay, so you can consider volumes are good. Okay, all right. So you're done with 5 confirmations and you will be entering here at 3316. Let's calculate our profits. Okay, I'll be entering at 3316 minus what should be my SL will be here. My stop loss will be below the key level. Okay, now my target should be next support and resistance level. That is this level and this level. Okay, because this level acted as a resistance here and this level acted as a resistance here. So this should be my first target. This should be my second target. Okay, see, I have entered it 3316. My first target, I have reached my first target in one candle. Okay, that's amazing. And look, I have reached, I mean, my second target is also reached in just 4 candles. Okay, so I'll be immediately exiting at this point, which is at 3378 minus 3378, 62 points profit. Okay, so 62 into, imagine that you are entering with 100 quantities. So your profit will be 6200. Amazing, right? Your profit will be 6200. Okay, so that's how you should be trading. So to trade with 100 quantities, you only need, this is Bajaj Finance, click on buy. So to trade 100 quantities, you need 40k. Okay, with the investment of 40k, you'll be gaining 6600 in just 5 candles. Okay, in just how many minutes? From 2 to 255. In just 55 minutes. No, not from 2. My entry is here, which is 215. From 215 to 255, which is just 40 minutes. Okay, in 40 minutes, you will be gaining 6300 with the investment of 40k. Okay, that's how simple. If you don't have 40k, no problem. Enter with 50 quantities. You only need 20k for 50 quantities. And if you're entering with 50 quantities, 62 points profit into 50 quantities. Your profit will be 3100 with the investment of 20k. Okay, that's how you should be trading. It's actually very easy. See, we have got perfect entry using price action strategy here. Okay, or you can also use alert wave strategy here. Okay, for alert wave, I should be drawing trend line. All right, yes, this will be my trend line. Okay, so got rejected once, got rejected twice, and getting rejected thrice. Look at the third rejection. Like I told, third rejection will be huge. Now you need to look for higher high formation. So this is where you will be making entry. Higher high formation. Now the confirmations are 5 here using alert wave trading strategy. So first confirmation is you need to look for third reaction. Second confirmation is higher high formation. Third confirmation is yes, you have got confirmation from VWAP. Fourth confirmation is you have got confirmation from 35 moving average. And fifth confirmation is look at the volume. Sorry, look at the volume. Volumes are great. They are more than 10 moving average on the volume. That means more than average number of buyers came to the market. Okay, you'll blindly make an entry here. Boom, look at the market. Okay, so that's how you should be trading. So I have back tested price action strategy, and also I have back tested, I have implemented price action strategy here and I made money. Okay, and I have also implemented alert wave strategy here, and also I have made money. Okay, profits. Okay, so that's how you should be implementing strategies. So what we are talking about. Yes. Now I'm gonna show chart setup for horizontal pro level strategy. Okay. Chart setup for horizontal pro level strategy is very simple. Like I told, we should be using Fibonacci levels and support and resistance levels. Okay. So chart setup is very simple. Uh, Imagine that this is market. Okay. This is chart. Okay. So to work on horizontal pro level strategy, you need to select Fibonacci. I repeat, to work on horizontal pro level strategy, you need to select Fibonacci from the drawing tool. Okay. Now see, you'll be able to see Fibonacci here. Fibonacci. Okay. Click on Fibonacci, and you should be using this first diagram, which is Fibonacci retracements. I repeat, to use horizontal pro level strategy, you need to use Fibonacci drawing tool. Okay. Search for Fibonacci in the drawing tool, and you should be selecting Fibonacci retracements. Okay. This is the first diagram. You need to be selecting Fibonacci retracement from the drawing tool, and you should you should draw Fibonacci level by connecting previous day's low and previous day's high. I repeat, you need to be drawing Fibonacci levels by connecting previous dose previous day's low and previous day's high. Okay. Now see, this is today's market. Let's ignore today's market. Okay. So I'm trying to hide today's market. Okay. So let's draw levels for yesterday's market and see how it goes in today's market. Okay. So I have selected Fibonacci, and I'm selecting previous day's high. This is previous day's high, and this is previous day's low. Okay. It's very simple. You just need to select Fibonacci and just draw level by connecting previous day's high and move towards downward and connect previous day's low. Okay, this is low. You need to consider wick. Okay, you should not ignore wick. You should consider wick also. Okay, now this is how it looks like. Okay, sorry. Okay, now select horizontal line from the diagram and draw all the levels. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you should be drawing all the levels using horizontal line and then delete Fibonacci. Okay, so these are all the levels. These are all Fibonacci levels. Okay, now, so I repeat, to deal with horizontal pro level strategy, the first thing you need to be doing is you need to be using Fibonacci levels. You should be drawing Fibonacci levels. To do that, you need to click on pencil icon on the chart. Then you need to select Fibonacci retracement tool from the drawing tool. Then you need to connect previous day's high and previous day's low. Okay. Then you need to select horizontal line and mark all the Fibonacci levels. Then delete Fibonacci level, Fibonacci drawing tool. Okay. Now, okay, this is previous day's market. Okay. Now I'll be drawing support and resistance because I already shown in the slide saying that I need Fibonacci levels and support and resistance levels. Okay. So I'll be drawing support and resistances now. So I'll be using same horizontal line. Now I'll draw support and resistances in the 10-minute time frame itself. Okay. The time frame is 10 minutes. This is must. Okay. Now we'll draw support and resistance level in 10-minute time frame. Okay. So yes, this level seems to me a good support and resistance level for me. So I'll draw this level. Okay. And this level also, because look here, it acting as a resistance here, acting as a resistance here, and it is acting as a resistance here. So I'll draw this level also here. Okay. That is up. And look at this level. This level is also acting as support here. So, and also look at this level. This level is also acting as a good level. Okay. Now, all right. Okay. Zoom out little bit. and I'm trying to hide today's market. Now I can delete this level. There is no touchings. Okay. Now I can draw this level. Okay. And yes, I can also draw this level because it is acting as a support here at this corner. Okay. So I can draw that level as well. Okay. Now, sorry. Now these two lines are left alone. All are double lines. These two lines are left alone now. So let me check whether I'm able to find any levels for them. No, not anything. So I'm going to delete them. Okay. So these are my strong horizontal levels. Okay. Now let's get on to today's market. See. Now let's get on to today's market. Look how properly they are working. Okay. It looks very clean, right? Now let's come on to today's market. See. Your proper in again, you need to consider 5 confirmations before making entry. The confirmations are same here as well. You need to look for strong horizontal level breakout. That is first confirmation. Second confirmation is higher high formation, lower low formation. Third confirmation is VWAP. Fourth confirmation is 35 moving average. Fifth confirmation is volumes. Okay. So the first entry would be here. This level should be your first target. This level should be your second target. Okay. It's very simple. I'll explain again. Let's get on to other stock. All right. This is iBull Finance. Okay. Now to implement, I'll try to implement horizontal pro level strategy here and predict today's market. So I'm hiding today's market. Okay. So all right. I'm hiding today's market. I'm analyzing yesterday's market. Okay. So to draw, I mean to work on horizontal pro level strategy, you need to draw Fibonacci levels first. Okay. To draw Fibonacci levels, you need to use Fibonacci retracements drawing tool. Okay. So this is Fibonacci retracement drawing tool. I'll try to connect high of I'll try to connect previous day's high and previous day's low. Where is previous day's low? Yes, here. This is previous day's low and this is previous day's high. Okay. So I have connected previous day's high, previous day's low. Okay. Now I'll draw all the levels, all the visible levels to me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. After drawing all the levels, I'll be deleting Fibonacci. Now I'll hide today's market and I'll draw support and resistances. Okay, hiding today's market. All right. Now I'll draw support and resistances. Okay, I can draw this level, double line. I can include support resistance here because it is acting as resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Okay. And also I can also draw another double line here as well because it is acting as support here and acting as resistance here as well. Okay. Now third line, yes, this line. I can move this line a little downward and draw another level here because it is acting as resistance here, support here, support here, support here. Okay. And it is acting as a resistance here, resistance here. Okay. So we are done with 3 double lines. Now let's search for another double lines. Okay. Now see, I can delete this middle line here. There are no associations with middle line. So I'm going to delete middle line. Now, yes, I can draw double line here because this area is acting as a support here and also acting as support here, also acting as support here. Now, I can also draw another level here. Okay. All right. Now I can also draw another level here because it is acting as resistance here and support here. Okay. All right. I can move this level a little downward and draw another level. Okay. Now, what about this line? Okay. See, I'm not able to find anything for that line. So I can delete that line. No worries. So let's get on to today's market and see the magic. Wow. So this is today's market. Okay. Now see, you need to look for higher high formations. Okay. So here the market opened and look for higher high. So if you're making an entry here, this should be your first target. Okay. And if your entry is here, this should be your first target. This should be your second target. Okay. And see, if again higher high, next higher high. If your entry is here, this should be your first target, and this level should be your second target. See how it's working, how beautiful the strategy is. Look at this thing here, higher high. This is high. This is breakout candle. This is confirmation candle. This is higher high. You should be making entry here, and look at this should be your target. Okay, so that's how the strategy works. You just need to connect levels by using Fibonacci and support and resistance. Okay, you need to draw double lines, and the confirmations are same. First confirmation is it should break the horizontal level. Second confirmation is you need to look for higher high formation. Third confirmation is you need to get a confirmation from VWAP, and also you need to get confirmation from 35 moving average. That is third and fourth confirmation. Fifth confirmation is you need to look for volumes during breakout. The volume should be more than this black line. Okay. So all right, I'll be explaining one more time. Okay. So this is today's market. Oh my God, yesterday's market is heavy. So let's try how it goes. I'm selecting Fibonacci, and I'll connect a day's high and day's low. Where is day's low? Yes, this is day's low here. Okay. Now I'll try to draw all the levels by selecting horizontal line. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, done. Now I'm gonna delete Fibonacci. Now I'll try to draw support and resistances by hiding today's chart. All right. Now this level looks like a good level. This level also looks like a good level. Sorry. And yes, this level also looks like a good level. Okay. All right. This level looks good. This level also looks good. This level also looks good. This level also looks good. Okay. So yes. All right. Now let's get on to today's market. See, these are all the levels. I'm gonna adjust them. I'm just moving them little closer. I'm not disturbing the levels. Okay. Now see, here the market opened. Okay. Here the market opened, and you should be making sell position here at lower low formation, and this should be your first target. Easy target, right? And see, higher high formation. You need to make buy position here. This is your target. Easy target, right? It will give you only 3 points, but that's more than enough if you're entering with 1,000 and 5,000 quantities. If you're entering with 2,000 or 5,000 quantities, so 5,000 into 2 points, it's 10,000 for the day. Okay. So this strategy is mainly designed for scalping. Okay. Your entry, there won't be much gap between your entry and exit. Okay. You'll be entering and you will be exiting within minutes, within few minutes. Okay. So you'll be entering here and your target will be achieved there immediately. You'll be in good profits. Now see, you'll be making sell position here after finding a lower low, and look, in the next candle, your target got achieved. Done. You are done for the day. Look, you entered at the 1043 minus, and you will exit at 1030. How much? 13 points profit into. Imagine that you are entering with only 1,000 quantities. 13,000. Okay. To enter with 1,000 quantities, let loop in right. Where is loop in? Loop in. Buy and 1,000 quantities. For 1,000 quantities, you need 59,000. Oh, that's huge. Let's stick to 500 quantities. Okay. No, not 500. 100 quantities. Okay. For 100 quantities, you only need 6,000, 5,900. Okay, for 100 quantities, and your profits will be 13 into 100. 13 into 100. 1,300 with just investment of 6,000. 1,000 rupees a day, more than enough. Okay, in starting days. Amazing, right? So it's that simple if you're dealing with this strategy. And again, see, so no lower low formations. Yes, lower low formations here. Okay, so your entry should be here, your stop loss should be there. Look, your target achieved. Okay, so it's that simple. That's how you should be trading. All right, so I'll be explaining this again after some time. Let's get on to slides now. So chart setup for horizontal pro level strategy. Simple. Time frame should be strictly 10 minute. I repeat, uh, to implement horizontal pro level strategy, time frame should be strictly 10 minute, and use Fibonacci retracement and mark levels by considering previous day's high and previous day's low. I repeat, you need to use Fibonacci retracement and mark levels by considering previous day's high and previous day's low. Okay, and draw support and resistances in 10-minute time frame. Okay, now try to combine most obvious levels by combining two levels at a price. That's what I did. I have drawn double lines by considering by combining support and resistance and Fibonacci level. Okay, so those levels can be called as strong horizontal pro levels. I repeat, time frame should be strictly 10 minutes. You need to use Fibonacci levels and mark the levels by considering previous day's highs and low. Okay, for tomorrow's market, you should be drawing levels by considering today's low and today's high. Okay, draw support and resistance in 10-minute time frame. Okay, now try to combine most obvious levels by combining two levels at a price. That's what I did. I had combined double lines. I had drawn double lines by considering by combining Fibonacci price and support and resistance level. Okay, so those levels can be called as strong pro levels. And yes, making positions by having make positions, sorry, my bad, spelling mistake. Okay, make positions by having confirmations from this below indicators. Okay, so you need to add studies, you need to add VWAP from studies, that should be red color, and you need to add 35 moving average, black color. Okay, and add volume chart and 10 moving average on volume chart, that should be black color. See, it's simple. Click on studies, type in VWAP, done. It will get added to the chart. Click on studies, type in moving average, click, enter value as 35, change the color to black, done. Now let's get on to today's market. Oh, 35 moving average and VWAP both are asking us to sell here. So we'll definitely sell here because you need to look for 5 confirmations. Among them, one is coming out of a key level. It's confirmed. Confirmation 2 is lower low formation. So it's forming. Confirmation 2 is also done. Confirmation 3 is it's below VWAP. Confirmation 4 is it's below 35 moving average. And confirmation 5 is volumes. Look at the volumes. Our volumes are not very great. But yes, look at the previous candle. It shows that more number of volumes came. So they may continue. So with that estimation, you need to be moving forward. Okay. And again, so you cannot make buy position here. Look at this scenario. You had higher high formation, but you should not make buy position because you are not getting confirmations from 35 and 35 moving average and VWAP. Okay. All right. So yes, back testing horizontal pro level strategy. Now I'll be explaining you horizontal pro level strategy in another stock, in some other stock. Let's randomly select the stock. Okay. So I'll be some random. Okay. Let's go with, all right, let's go with, oh, before that, I should be deleting all these things. Delete, Lupin, delete, I will finance, delete, Bajaj Finance. All right. So let's go with SR Transpin. Okay. All right. Looks good. Oh, I think I already explained you about SR Transpin. All right. Let's select some other M&M. Let's go with M&M. Okay. All right. I'm going to delete all the studies. Now I'll implement step 1. That is, I'll select Fibonacci retracement and I'll connect days high and days low. So this week is very long. So that will be days high. This will be days high. Sorry. This will be days high and days low is this point. Here, this point is days low. Now zoom out and draw the levels using horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. Delete. So first step is done. Done. Now for second step, I'm analyzing yesterday's market to predict today's market. Okay. Now I'll be drawing support and resistances. Okay. Look at this scenario. I'll be deleting this because no support and resistances around this area. Okay. And for this line also, I can, because only one touch point, let it be, let's consider. Okay. And look at this point, I can bring this line a little downward and draw another level because it is acting as resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Okay. Now again, I can delete this middle line. Okay. Now see, I can draw another level here because it is acting as a perfect resistance here. And I can also draw double line here as well. Here as well, little down. Okay. Okay. Let it be here because it is acting as a resistance here and it is acting as a support here lot many times and it started acting as a resistance here. Okay. Now again, this line because resistance, 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 and also this line, double line. Coming to this line, I should be moving little downward. Okay, here. All right. Okay, looks good. So ready for the, okay, no surprise. Let's check today's chart, how it goes. Okay. All right, amazing. So let's add indicators and let's see how many entries we are getting and what's our profit. For that, I'll go to studies. I'll be adding VWAP and again clicking on studies. I'll type in moving average. I'll select moving average. I will enter value as 35 and I change the color to black. I'll click on done. All right, done. Now see, this is my horizontal pro level strategy. These are my horizontal levels. Okay, this is today's market. So I look for breakout. Here the breakout happened and higher high formed, but I'm not getting confirmation from 35 moving average. So I won't go for buy. Okay. Now again, lower low formation. I look for lower low formation. Here is the lower low formation. Okay. Okay, let that, this is red candle, this is red candle and back to back lower low formation. Okay. So I can make sell entry here because now see two back, I mean, it's getting rejected by key level, first confirmation. Second confirmation is lower low formation and colors of both the candles are green, I mean red. I mean, the color of breakout candle is red and the color of confirmation candle is also red. And the confirmation candle has breached the low of breakout candle. So I should be entering there. Okay. So confirmation 2 is also done. Confirmation 3 is it's below VWAP. See, my entry is below VWAP. So VWAP is asking me to go short. Okay. It's asking me to sell first. Okay. So I have got 3 confirmation. One is it got rejected by key level. Second one is lower low formation. And third one is I got confirmation from VWAP. And fourth confirmation is candles are below 35 moving average. So 35 moving average is also asking me to short it. Okay. Is also asking me to make sell position first. So I have got 4 confirmations. So let's look for 5th confirmation, which are volumes. See, this is a breakout area. Look at the volumes at breakout area. See, more number of sellers came here and they are also coming here as well. at our entry also. I mean, the candle, I mean, the volumes are close to black line, which is nothing but 10 moving average on the volume. Okay. All right. So you should be making sell entry here at what point? At 623. Okay. So clear. I made sell entry at 623, and this should be my first target. Look at my target got reached here. Okay. I'll be exiting here. At what, at what point? Okay. 618 minus 618 equal to 5 pounds. I got 5 pounds profit. Okay. Imagine that I am trading with 1000 quantities, 5000 profit. Okay. To trade 1000 quantities, I only need M&M. I told that I made sell position, and yes, for 1000 quantities, 1000 refresh. For 1000 quantities, I need 56,502. Oh, it's huge. Okay, let's trade with 100 quantities. Let's be realistic. So to trade with 100 quantities, I need only 5,600. And if I invest 5,600 with this strategy in M&M, then my profits will be, say I have got 5 pounds profit, like profit, right? So 5 into how many quantities? 100 quantities. 5 into 100. So I'll be getting 500 rupees if I invest 5,600 here. Okay. Oh, where is the chart? All right, here. Okay, you'll be making sell entry here after getting all the confirmations from after getting all 5 confirmations, you'll be making sell entry here, and you'll be buying back later once your target is reached, and you'll be in profits. Okay. All right, let me explain this strategy with another stock as well. I'll choose a stock randomly and I'll explain you again for the final time. Okay. So, all right, I'll select Cipla. It looks really good. Okay. Do you want me to go to Cipla or another stock? So this is Cipla. Okay. So yesterday's market is very boom for Cipla. So I'll select Fibonacci and I connect day's high and day's low. See, this is day's low, yesterday's day's low, and this is day's high. Okay. So I'm gonna draw all those levels. Oh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I missed one. 8, and I missed one here. 9. Right. I'm gonna delete Fibonacci and I'm gonna hide today's market. I'm hiding today's market. All right. Now I'm gonna draw support and resistances here. See, this looks good level. Act as a resistance. Okay. And look at this level down. It looks also great. Okay. It looks great. This level also looks great. Okay. This level. Okay. Now, all right. This level also looking great. Okay. And this level is also looking great. Okay. Okay. All right. This level is also looking great. All right. This level is also great. Okay. Middle level is not. It is also looking good. No problem. You can consider that level as well. Now, ready to see the surprise. All right. Oh, it actually didn't move. The market moved in a sideway. Okay. No problem. I'll explain this with another stock as well. Let's see if you're getting any entry or not. All right. We can make lower low. Yes, here lower low. Sorry. All right. We shall add moving average as well. 35 moving average, black color, done. Okay, so these both two indicators are asking me to make sell position here. Okay, because got rejected by trend line. Sorry, got rejected by a key level, low formation. So got confirmation from these two, and this breakout is third confirmation. The overlow is fourth confirmation, and look at volume. Volumes are also great. So this should be your entry, and yes, this is the low made. Okay, you can enter it 775 and stay till 767. Okay, 767 minus 775, 8 points profit. Okay, 8 points into 100 quantities, 800 rupees. For Sipla, uh, if you want 100 quantities, you only need to invest 4,300. With the investment of 4,300, you'll be getting 800 rupees. That's so good. Let's select some other stock. Because the previous day is very bad. I mean, there was a huge rally previous day, so we didn't get much move in Sipla today. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna delete all these things and let's select some other stock and backtest the strategy for the final time. Okay. Oh, let's go with Reliance. Okay. Reliance also in a sideway. SBI Life. Let's go with this. All right. Looks great. Fibonacci. Day's high, previous day's high, this point, and previous day's low, this point here. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gonna delete Fibonacci. I'm gonna hide today's market and I'm gonna draw the levels. See, I can draw this level. I can ignore this level. I can draw this level. I can, okay, bring this level little downward and draw another one. I can ignore the middle line and I can draw another level here. Okay. So, and also this line. Okay. And I can ignore bottom two lines. Now, all right, look at the market. It looks crazy. Okay. So your first entry, let's get on to indicators. Moving average 35, color black, done. Studies, VWAP, done. Okay. Now see, this is how today's market, and let's wait for higher high formation. Oh, here. Okay. This is higher high formation. I mean, the first confirmation is stock got rejected by a key level. Second confirmation is higher high formation. Third confirmation is VWAP. Fourth confirmation is moving average. We got all four confirmation. Look at fifth confirmation. Volumes. Volumes are not very great, so I don't enter there. Okay. And next higher high formation here. Look here. Okay. Higher high formation. So it's getting rejected by a key level, higher high formation, and volumes. Volumes are also good. See, it's touching backline. So volumes are also good. And I'm getting confirmation from VWAP and 35 moving average as well. So 5 confirmations. One is key level breakout, higher high formation, second one. Third one is VWAP. Fourth one is moving 35 moving average. Candles are above these two indicators. Okay. And fifth confirmation is volumes. Volumes are also touching black line, which is 10 moving average on volume chart. So I'll be entering here. This should be my first target. This should be my second target. Boom. Okay. It's that simple. So backtesting, yes, backtesting is done. I think you guys are really excited to try this out in real market. You can do that. You can draw levels for today by connecting today's lows and high using Fibonacci and draw the levels, draw proper support and resistance levels, and look for confirmations. That's it. Entry, stop loss, target, you already know. Entry, stop loss, and targets are same for all strategies, for price action, for allowed wave, for horizontal pro level, all are same. The strategies are same. I mean, the entry, exit, and stop loss are same. So time frame should be strictly 10 minutes for intraday trading using horizontal parallel strategy. And before making entry, you need to consider these points. Wait for higher, lower formation after breakout from the key level in 10-minute time frame. And breakout candle and confirmation candle should be of same color. And take confirmation from VWAP. Also take confirmation from 35 moving average. Also take confirmation from volume and 10 moving average on the volume. Okay. Use these indicators as confirmations. You should not blindly depend on indicators. You should use them as confirmations. Okay, 5 confirmations. Okay, this slide is very important. So 5 confirmations you need to look for while trading, intraday using horizontal parallel strategy. Okay, so time frame should be strictly 10 minute. I need to change this slide. Okay, time frame should be strictly 10 minute, not 5 minutes. Ignore this one. For intraday, not allowed wave, horizontal parallel strategy. Okay, so draw key levels using Fibonacci and support and resistances in 10-minute time frame. Okay, and look for high formation, low formation at the breakout. And color of both the breakout candles should be of same color. And take confirmation from 35 moving average. Also take confirmation from VWAP. And yes, take confirmation from volumes and 10 moving average on the volume. I repeat, you should be looking at 5 confirmations. One is breakout from key level. Second confirmation, higher, low formation, and colors of both the candles should be same. Third confirmations, you need to take confirmation from VWAP. Fourth confirmation, that is from 35 moving average. Fifth confirmation, you need to look for volumes and moving average on volumes. Okay. Stop loss should be placed below the key level. Okay. Or below the breakout candles low. And stop loss helps us to reduce losses if market goes against us. Do not enter a trade without stop loss. This is very important. Always trail your stop loss. Okay. So target should be next possible support and resistance level. In this strategy, yeah, next to Fibonacci or next support and resistances is our target. Okay, I already shown you that. And always trail your stop loss and start booking partial profits at your first target. If you're trading with 1,000 quantities, you need to book 700 quantities at the first target. Okay, so that's called partial booking. That's called booking partial profits. Okay. So it's ideal to book 70% of your quantities at the first target and leave remaining 30% of the quantities to the second target. Okay. So important points you need to keep in the mind while trading horizontal parallel strategy. All right. Time frame should be strictly 10 minutes. I repeat, because it's very important. Strictly, you need to work on 10-minute only. Look for candlestick patterns at the breakout. They may act as additional confirmations. If the size of the candle is very huge, do not make entries. Okay. And always have a look at volume chart. Volume should be close to or more than 10 moving average during breakouts. Okay. All right. So stick to targets. Start booking partial profits. This is very important. Target should be 2% for beginners and trade according to your risk appetite. I'll be talking about risk appetite in upcoming sessions. And if a breakout happens between 9:15 to 9:25, do not take up the trade. Okay, because market is more volatile during the start of the day. And if you miss an entry, don't worry. Market gives many opportunities. Believe in that. Market gives many opportunities. Okay, and chart should look very clean. Don't make your chart dirty. That that I mean, don't use too many indicators. Don't just stick to strategy and implement what you were taught. And do not overtrade. Make only 4 to 5 positions per day. Do not force your trades. You should not be breaking rules. You should be sticking to rules. Okay. And do not make your brokers rich by overtrading. Okay. And yes, if you like this strategy, I mean, if you like this strategy and if you are good with my explanation, if you are very clear with how the strategy works, and if you like my explanation, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot.